In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from TD Bank app. So if you haven't TD Bank app, make sure to enter your device and then put in your user ID or client card and password. Once you have logged in, access the transfer option from the home screen. Then select the account that you want to transfer. It can be from account from the drop-down menu, or you can also select the account you want to transfer using the to account drop-down menu. Then from under, just enter transfer details. Input the amount you wish to transfer. You can select from the preset amount like 50, 100 to 50. And you can also put right here an actual customized one, like for example 106.99 CAD. Then click on continue. Now click on the review and confirm to make sure that your transfer details are correct. And if everything looks great, click on this finish transfer or send money option. After that, you will receive a confirmation message and number for your records. So that's how you transfer money from TD Bank app. I hope this video helped you out.